Hi friends, and welcome to the Decorate Your Life Christmas in July YouTube Hub. We are super excited to have you join us, and we're looking forward to sharing our Christmas project ideas and tutorials with you. We have a myriad of fun prizes that we're giving away, along with a $35 grand prize to Decor8yourlife.com. You'll find our giveaway rules along with our Christmas in July lineup in the description down below. Speaking of lineups, these are the designers to look for. We have a total of 7 very talented ladies who are passionate about paper crafting and love to share their ideas with you. So after you're finished viewing my tutorial, make sure to hop on to the other designers and subscribe to their channels. By you supporting us, the smaller channels, you'll be helping us bring fresh new content and giveaways month after month. Crafters often ask me, how do I go about in decorating the covers of my mini albums? Well, in this tutorial, we're going to do just that. I've used my vintage Christmas in Pink paper collection for my Christmas mini album. This paper collection is available in both paper pack and downloadable printable form. And I'll go ahead and leave you links to my vintage Christmas in Pink paper collection down below. First off, when making a mini album, I prefer to use a pre-made album. Pre-made mini album bases are extremely budget-friendly, exceptionally made, and a huge time saver. You can make your own mini album bases. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. But once you've tried a pre-made base and you add the flips and the folds and you make it as interactive as you want it to be, there's no going back to making them from scratch. Okay, so like I mentioned before, I used my vintage Christmas in Pink paper collection, and I plan to do a complete flip through of my mini album at a later date. So make sure that you click on the bell to get future video notifications. I want to apologize because I'm gonna have to cut my narration short. I'm losing what little voice I have left, and I'm now struggling to get my vocal cords to work. I'm going to now speed up the video, but you'll still be able to view the entire process. Remember to read our giveaway rules, line up and giveaway closing dates in the description area of this video. I would also love for you to stop by my website and check out the other Christmas paper collections that I have. My store link is also down below. Enjoy the rest of the video. Happy paper crafting.
Whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watched are keeping. This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guard and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him, Lord, the babe, the Son of Mary. So bring him incense, gold, and myrrh, come peasant king to own him. The King of kings salvation brings, let loving hearts enthrone him. Raise, raise a song on high, the Virgin sings her lullaby. Joy, oh joy, for Christ is born, the babe, the Son of Mary. babe, the sun. O come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive O come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel, that mourns in lonely exile here, until the Son of God appear. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. O come, thou day spring, come and cheer our spirits by thine advent here. Disperse the gloomy clouds of night, and death's dark shadow put to flight. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O come, thou Lord of might, who to thy tribes on Sinai's high in ancient times did give the law, in cloud and majesty and awe. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, 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 rejoice. Emmanuel shall come to thee, O shall come to thee, O Israel.